Hello friends, this is Veronica. You know what time it is. It's Cafecito time. And for today's Cafecito, we are in Las Vegas, Nevada, and we're here in downtown Las Vegas on the famous Fremont Street. And I've been hearing a lot of good things about this coffee shop. So today I'm going to take you on a Cafecito Adventure to Mothership Coffee Roaster. So come join me for some Cafecito. We're here at Mothership Roaster Coffee in downtown Las Vegas, having a bourbon vanilla latte. Pretty cool here. You must check it out. This is really good. I hope you liked my Cafecito Adventure. Don't forget to subscribe. I will be posting videos now Wednesdays and Sundays, so make sure you hit the notification button. You like our videos. I know most of you like my Nespresso videos, but come on, show our Cafecito Adventure some love. If you're ever down in Las Vegas area, come to downtown. Check it out. It's pretty cool. Very cool vibe. Lots of outdoor seating. Lots of cool little shops around as well. You could have some coffee, enjoy the beautiful Las Vegas sun, and do a little bit of shopping. And don't forget to try the bourbon vanilla latte. Delicious. So we'll see you guys next week. Bye.